guys, welcome to my channel, Creative Nikki. If you're new to my channel guys, well, my channel is about hair, beauty, fashion, fitness and lifestyle. So guys, today's video I'm gonna be using some flour. You can use some powder if you have powder, and you can use flour if you have flour. So today I'm going to be using some flour. You can use plain flour or self-raising flour. So I'm going to be plucking my eyebrows. That's what today's video is about. I'm going to be plucking my eyebrows, but I'm using self-raising or plain flour or powder to shape my eyebrows. So just go over it with a thick coat, and then you're going to remove the extra by brushing it off, the excess powder. And then now you're going to pull the tip of the eyebrows. Look at the arch, look for your arch, start from your arch guys and work your way in. Oh. Just try to look for those new growth and pick through them. I'm crying, oh my days. So yeah, that is looking cool already. So now I'm gonna go back over it with some more. And I'm going to dust off the excess. And then we're going to go back to the ends and go for those short new growth. Remember to pull the skin guys, ripping your skin. It's very hot as well. And then when you get to the top now, you pull the skin. And you pick. It's like you're combing it across, but you're picking it as well. And then you're gonna go back up in to see if you see any little bits that need plucking, any excessive hair. Okay, so I need to do the end some more of this one. Hope you all can see what I'm doing. Pull. I have to pull the skin. And now let's see how this one's looking. Perfect. And then I'm gonna do the other side, guys. Can you see the difference? Tell me if you can see the difference. Look at this one. Look at this one. I think I need to pull a little bit from here. Yeah. Just to put on your actual hair that you don't want to remove, and just dust it off after, and then you pluck. Guys, see, you can see the difference, this one and that one. So now we're going to be doing the right side. So I've been doing my own brows for probably about 3 months now. So take your time. If you want to add more, you can go for it. You can go crazy. It's all up to you. You can make your face looking like a Snow White. if you want. If you want. What? I don't want that, so I'm cleaning it up. So now, I'm going to, you can go in with your fingers as well. So now, I'm going to go in to this side. Remember, I start from the arch and work my way down. So you start from the arch, guys, and you work your way in. Just look for those new growth and pull them out. The powder does as well. It helps you to get a grip. It helps you to like dry out the skin so you can get a grip. So the tweezers can grip your hair. That one side is done better than one side. That's how it works. I don't know for why, for some reason. But I'm gonna be cleaning up this one as well. So guys, see there? And my face looks fresh. And I'm gonna put on a little bit of eye shadow just to complete it off. But as you can see, all you have to do is get some, if you don't have powder, just use some flour and do your own brows. Perfect. This is Model's Own from TK Maxx. And the great. Guys, there's nothing that you can't do for yourself. Nothing. Boy, I'm gonna start spending less money because since I know that I can help myself now to do any and everything. I've always tried, but like I'm actually enjoying these stuff more because you save money, it saves time as well. You don't have to go and sit down for the whole day just to get your lashes or your eyebrows done. I'm not trying to lick no one out of business or nothing, but you know, I'm just saying. I'm not trying to run no one out of business, but if you can help yourselves, why not? Look at my brows. People. I'm gonna take some. They've been serving me for quite a while as well. So guys, see there you have it. Alright, then we'll just put on a little bit of healer. Fix up around the eyes. Like, fix up around them eyes. Eye some of them age. Let me eye some age, mate. I'll be eyeing some age around here today. So guys, I'm gonna fix that. New style, style, and cat style. Style can't spoil it. I'm telling you, if I come out here now with my makeup like this, it's not impossible to get trendy. Someone says, oh, have you seen the new style? What new style? Put your makeup around your eyes alone. I'm telling you. Oh God, I ruined that one, didn't I? I'm chatting away, guys. I'm also ruining stuff. I need to concentrate on what I'm doing now. Let's try and blend this in. This blender. Blend it in, Nikki, blend it in. Let me go. I'm just gonna do one side. I get all it out. Let's see, that is sun. But oh well. I'm just blending in this foundation. That's how I use my foundation to conceal it. Look without too much of an arch. So I don't want as much arch after. No.